And welcome everyone. Thanks for taking the time to check out the channel. What is this? Arcturus. Oh, yes. Line of light that's coming out of the dead center, very top of Arcturus. We're seeing this line of light, bars of light. I'm looking up bars of light, stellar bars, very interesting, dense areas in space, in the constellations that are showing these beautiful, what looks like platforms of light, basically. This is just a natural shot of Arcturus. And I like talking about the Arcturus stream. I was able to get a nice shot because, see, these are all the objects. It's 51 or 50 or 51 other stars with basically the same, very similar characteristics as Arcturus that are in the Arcturus stream, which are the stars that are all around Arcturus. But you see, Arcturus is so very bright that we can barely see the stars that are behind it. Well, I got one heck of a nice shot of a couple of them that are at the back. You're going to see here in a few moments. The colors that are emanating from Arcturus. Arcturus is very bright. In space, there are gases of all colors. Why are we seeing the colors? Well, that's another story altogether. It could be water molecules. It could be the atmospheric disturbance that we're seeing here from Earth. It could be maybe not even in space, all these atmospheric disturbances. It could be just from here. This is the stars, sorry, directly behind Arcturus. And they're very hard to see because they're blinded by the light of Arcturus. It's just beautiful, absolutely beautiful. You can see inside of this. Now, this would be pretty massive, of course, but very far out. And I love being able to show these objects. You know, when we see Arcturus, we see a faraway star, a smudge, and then they talk a whole lot of information about it. Well, me, I don't have much information, but I show everything I can out there in the star. Isn't it beautiful? The Arcturus stream, and these are some of the stars that are behind Arcturus. And coming up is the surface of the moon. No, not this, but we'll see the surface of the moon, trying to show the beautiful natural colors on the surface. And when enhanced just a little bit, then the colors just go haywire electric. these are the website and channel contributors. Those who comment, those who are part of the community, who have contributed very generously, each and every one of them. Carlos Serna, bro, thanks so much for the generous contribution. Thanks for connecting, man. I see you in the community. I love you, bro. Thanks a lot. We're going to put that money aside for the observatory to try to raise that money to build a real observatory. Just, I have to get over the roof. Take a look at WSO YouTube channel. Steve Olson interacts with many other channels and finds out what's going on in the sky.